Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel DIY with Mini John. I am Nishant and this is my basement workshop. In today's video I will show you 5 small laser products that you can sell online. You can easily recover the cost of your laser machine making these products and offer personalized products to your customers. For our first project I will show you how to engrave a photo on wood. A photograph engraved on wood makes for a great gift idea. It's very easy to engrave a photograph on a light colored wood like this. The quality of details can be improved by changing the settings. For this video I have used a quick engraving that takes about 15 to 20 minutes. A more detailed engraving will take about 30 to 40 minutes, but will greatly improve the quality of images. The second product that we will be making today is customized leather keychain. I have attached a piece of red suede leather with masking tape. You can create customized keychains by engraving company logos or any other text or pattern as requested by the client. For the third project, we will make a name tag on an acrylic sheet. This is a piece of white acrylic. I have attached it to the piece of ply with masking tape so that it doesn't move while engraving. These tags can be used as name tags for pets, luggage or even as keychains. You can make a name tag with contact details in case the pet is lost, and the tag being made in acrylic will not have any effect of the environment. For the fourth product of this video, I will show you how to make a magnetic sticker. You can either use a simple wood block like this or create some small wooden miniature. You can engrave a personalized text on this or simply decorate it by using some pattern. For example, you could use brick pattern and door and window print on this and create roof shingles over here to make it more detailed. For this video I will use a simple wood block. You can simply glue a neodymium magnet behind this using super glue. And the fifth and last product of this video is an all-time favorite. You can create it in your own designs or personalize it for the customer. Stick through the process to know what the last product is. That clock dial took about 2 minutes to engrave. These are 5 simple products that you can make and sell using a compact laser like this. These are just basic ideas and you can improve these projects by using your own creativity. Now for the bonus project, I will show you how I made those signboards. Since I could not fit such a large board under my machine, so I cut out the letters individually on sticker paper and used a transparent acrylic board to mount it. This is the sticker paper that I used. If you use a darker colored paper, it will cut better. That's all for this video. I hope it was helpful to you and you got some good ideas for your own project. If you liked the video, then please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.